Well, here you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is something most of you have never seen. It looks like the American General's Tiger, and it looks like a brochure for advertising the AGAC, American General Aircraft Corporation, and their premier aircraft was the Tiger. But that would fool you. I mean, it's about the right thickness to be a flyer, something you would hand out at FBOs. So stay tuned.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
We go to the flip side. We find all the general information. American General Aircraft Corporation, their P.O. Box, Greenville, Mississippi. We all know that. However, this is the American General Tiger Coloring Book. It was conceived by Jim Cox and drawn by Brad Woodcock. A coloring book. So let's take a look inside the book. Well, the first page is this tiger gets its energy from lots of red meat. This tiger gets its energy from a little blue airplane fuel. This tiger lands on 4 feet. The tiger lands on 2 wheels. This tiger runs through the jungle swiftly. Center page brochure. You can color it up, mail it off, and send it to AGAC for judging. It's a 2-page fold out. Now let's finish the tiger runs through the jungle swiftly. An IFR-equipped tiger can fly through the clouds at 140 knots. That's pretty swift, my friends. And then you have a lot of pages in the coloring book where the appropriate part named is painted in black. You have, propeller, flaps, wings, aileron, elevator, rudder, horizontal stabilizer. And on the last page, the parts of an airplane, telling where everything is and what it does. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a look at the American General, the AGAC Tiger Coloring Book by Jim Cox. I know I've never seen a real one until this one. That would be nice for us to have. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you found all these useful and informative. Up in it, and she feels safe. There she is, Lily in her Dutch oven. Hope y'all enjoy this. Thanks for watching.